in today's edition of What's on the Porch, or what was on the back of the couch, or on the wardrobe, or wherever I found it when I got home. Today I have my IPSY BoxyCharm by IPSY. They have redone their boxes now to include the glam bag and the BoxyCharm and the icon box and the refreshments. Let's see what kind of broken, hot, messed up. That was not nice. That was... we're not going to be negative. We're not going to be negative. We're not. Let's open up this box and see what I got. Hey, howdy. Hey, y'all. Leanna here. We got a little BoxyCharm newspaper. The Great Escape. Pack your bags. We got a one-way ticket to dewy skin, glossy hair, and so much color. We're going to play dress up, unplug for a bit, and meditate and manny. It is a nice little newspaper hoo-ha thingy. We've got news. So I have an email that tells me all about my July BoxyCharm, and it says here's the 411. I'm sure that by now most of y'all, if you watch a lot of unboxing videos, know that there's a little bit of drama around the Natasha Denona palette that's in this box. And it says here's the 411 Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. And the funny thing is that even the picture of the palette has a broken eyeshadow in it. I was super excited about this little palette because I love Natasha Denona. And this is a very, very unique color story. It says inspired by nature's powerful elements, this collection of desert browns and deep blue is the perfect palette to create stunning eye looks. And it says that it retails for $48. Now I know some of these size palettes on her website and on Sephora and Ulta as well retail for $27. I'm not sure why some of these of this size retail for $48, but and I have not watched any of these unboxings, so I am not sure, but as you can see, this shade is broken. I don't know if every single shade, every single palette had a broken shade or not, and I am going to fix that. I'm not happy about it. I'm not angry about it either. It is unfortunate that this happened. Let me see if I can find the email that we got about it. So about a week ago I got an email from IPSY that says that we've heard that in some cases one of the shades in the palette may become loose and come out. Our partners at Natasha Denona assured us that if there's any broken pigment, it's still usable and safe. Your experience is important to all of us, and it is our top priority. In case you do have an issue with your palette, and even if you don't, we partnered with Natasha Denona to offer you an exclusive coupon code for 25% off anything on their website to help make up for this. Just enter the code and on the checkout page by July 30th to see the discount. It says that they're always here for us and that we can just email IPSY Care team and they'll be right there to help. Pro tip, if one of the shades in your palette is damaged, here's a trick we'd love to bring back to life. Place another pan of the same size on top of the broken shade with a tissue in between, then press down gently to pack the broken pigment back into its pan. So here's the problem for me with all of that. you're not going to replace the palette. You're going to tell me how to fix it. And you're going to give me a coupon code to go to the Natasha Denona site for 25% off. And she's pricey. And I just, your fix is to entice me to go spend money because I got a broken palette. That doesn't make any sense to me. Again, I know things happen, and I am not mad that this is broken, but I'm very disenchanted with how y'all are handling it, because I mean, Natasha Denona is a major brand, and I think that y'all should send people that got a broken shade a new palette. And maybe y'all are. Maybe I'm being disgruntled for not. I'm not super disgruntled. That email just kind of, I'm like, what? You're sending me a coupon code? I don't know. Okay. Moving on, because that's enough of that. I already have been very negative about BoxyCharm now that IPSY has BoxyCharm, and that is why I am going to be canceling, because makeup is my happy place, and this is not making me happy, and I do not want to spend my time being negative about something. That's, in my mind, a waste of energy. The next product that I have in my box is the Arbor Naturals Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. And this retails for $38. And again, not trying to be negative, but they put this in so many boxes. I don't know how many of these I have gotten, and I mean, Arbor is okay. I have gotten some of their products from BoxyCharm and IPSY that were not the right color. It seemed that those products were very old, so I don't have any interest in using any of those products. I know that there are a lot of people that love them, so I will probably put this in the giveaway box, because I will be doing a big giveaway here very soon, because I don't know if y'all noticed, but while I wasn't able to upload a lot of videos because I was working like a crazy horse, my channel reached 1,500 subscribers. So I need to get on that giveaway. So we're going to be doing that soon. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway box. I believe the rest of the products I chose. And the next one is this Pomelo Co. Pomelo Co. I think is how you pronounce that. This is a Matcha Magic Soothing Hair Treatment, hemp seed plus algae. And I am looking forward to using this. It is a mask infused with, hello? A mask infused with a powerful blend of green tea and hemp seed oil, which work together to nourish and soothe and help soothe your hair, leaving it feel silky and pampered. They recommend that you chill it in the fridge for 10 minutes before use, which I thought was a pretty good idea. And the retail value of this is $29.98. So let's see what it smells like. You know, we gotta see what it smells like. It's very liquidy. Oh, and I just squeezed it out all over me. It is very oily. And it has a very light kind of floral smell, very, very light, but it smells more green than anything, obviously, with the matcha and the hemp and stuff in it. I got it all over my shirt. I sure hope that I can get that to wash out, and all over my desk. That's what I get for trying to smell things. And I wonder if maybe it needs to be mixed up. Maybe it's separated, or maybe that's how it's supposed to be, is like that. We shall see, because I will be using that very, very soon. Yeah, that is definitely an oil. Next up, we have this Ace Beauté Seal It Makeup Setting Spray. I did not know that it's shrink wrapped. I did not know that Ace Beauté had a setting spray. That smells really good. I don't know if this is new. I have not been to their website in a while. This retails for $28. It even tells you how to use it. So I'm looking forward to trying that out, because I do like Ace Beauté products. And the last item in my box is this Estate Cosmetics sponges. We get these quite often as well in these boxes, and I do like their sponges, so I'm not mad. I even like the colors, because y'all know I love purple. These retail for $18. Wet with warm water. Okay, so these are supposed to be activated by warm water and mimics the warmth of your body temperature to help melt product seamlessly into your skin. Plus, these sponges change color to let you know when it's ready to use. Heat activated beauty sponge. So that's interesting. We'll give that a try and see how that goes. Maybe I can use one of those on camera. That is my BoxyCharm by IPSY for the month of July. The total value of my box came to $161.98. I don't know what I spent for the box, because like I've said in all of my unboxing videos since IPSY took them over, I'm very disenchanted with how this is all going, so I haven't been keeping up with things, and it's been a while because I had signed up, I believe, for 6 months of BoxyCharm before the takeover. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.